Hello, I am Brett Mellon, here at the Indiana School for the Deaf's Willard Hall, one of the oldest buildings on ISD's campus, built in 1909. Imagine the work involved in repairing and maintaining this historic building. Well, I'm sure you're wondering why I'm going on about this building. Well, I'm talking about our maintenance and repair position. I have been raising awareness regarding this opening, awaiting applications. The position is in a signing environment. I've sent out a video 2 weeks ago talking about this position. Many of you have responded, wanting to know the specifics entailed, and shared concerns. One concern was the need for a CDL. You do not have to worry about having a CDL, a commercial driver's license. Some asked if specific training or certifications were required. Do not worry. Go ahead and apply. If you need training, we'll provide training. If you need certifications, we will provide certifications. We can send you to a program to become certified. During the last 2 weeks, I have received a few applications, with 1 or 2 being sent to other staff. It is best to send your applications/inquiries directly to me, Brett Mellon. My email address is bmellon@isd.k12.in.us. If you have questions, comments, or concerns that need an in-depth conversation, you can call me on my video phone at 317-493-0490. Deaf or hearing applicants can reach me at that number. English-speaking candidates can communicate with me through a video relay interpreter. You can reach me with questions via email or video phone. I look forward to hearing from you.